This video will demonstrate how to configure the wireless Renard protocol. If you are not using the Renard Wireless firmware, then you should view the Configure Renard Standard video, as the settings are different. You configure the wireless Renard protocol by clicking on the LSP orb and then selecting Configure Outputs. When the Configure Output window appears, hover over or click on the Add Device icon and then choose Renard in the protocol drop-down. You can change the zone if you are adding more than one zone. Then press the Add button and you'll see the Renard protocol added to the protocol list. Click on the newly created Renard protocol and the detail settings will appear. In the port name field, choose the appropriate COM port from the drop-down that you have your Renard dongle connected to. Only the COM ports that are attached to your system will be displayed in this drop-down. In the bits per second field, choose the proper value from the drop-down. The Renard firmware normally is set to 57,600, so use that value. If you have modified the firmware, then choose the value that you have set in the firmware from the drop-down. In the parity field, choose Mark from the drop-down. In the Data Bits field, choose 8 from the drop-down. In the Stop Bits field, choose 2 from the drop-down. Be sure to press OK, or your changes will not be saved. If you have additional Renard dongles to configure, just carry out the steps you've just done. If it's your second Renard dongle, select Zone 2. For your third, select Zone 3, and so on. Congratulations, you have now configured the protocol for Scheduler to send the commands to your Renard Wireless controller. Please review any other protocol configurations that are appropriate to your environment. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy using LSP.